Okay, so let's move on to some live web applications. So at the end of your last homework, you should have Google App Engine running on your machine, and you should have a basic site online. We're going to start with basically the simple Hello World example that Google has on their site, which I have. This is the main Hello World Python file from the Google App Engine example page. And it's got two main sections. We'll start with this section down here at the bottom. This is the URL mapping section. And in this case, we have one URL, / and it maps to a handler called main page. Main page is defined in this class called main page. It inherits from Webapp to request handler, which is kind of the generic request handler from Google. If you don't know what classes are, you can learn about them offline. It's basically a convenient way for grouping together functions and data that are all related to the same thing. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on it here, but you should be able to keep up just fine. Our class has a function called get, which takes a parameter called self, which is the common first parameter to most Python methods. So this function does two things. First, it takes self.response, which is the kind of global response object that we'll be handling, or that this framework uses, and it sets a header. It sets the content type header to equal text plain. By default, the content type is text HTML, but in this case, it's setting it to text plain, and then it's writing the string, hello, web app world. So if we start up Google App Engine, I'll start Google App Engine in my terminal here, and then I'll go to my browser and load the page. And this is what we see. We see that string that our program was writing out in our browser. Hello, web app world. Pretty neat.